Do you know what, guys? The Advil does not dissolve at all, and I think that's because the water I have used is cold. So I'll try to add some hot water instead. Let's see what happens. So I've added some hot water to this Advil. Let's see if it's any different. It was tap water. I used tap water, just the hot. You see, right away, it reacts to the temperature so fast. The outer shell is molten now, so that is how it works. It won't dissolve in cold water until, not fast, but once the water is hot, it goes pretty quickly.